This is a 2001 Chevrolet Tahoe, and the mirror's cracked right here, and it's really irritating because you kind of see two images in places and things. So to remove this mirror, I need to get some gloves and some goggles. This mirror has probably been on here for 18 years, so I don't want to come off, but take a standard straight screwdriver. There's some tabs down in there, and then you can actually, there's a little bit of a gap. There's a ring inside here, and there's a little bit of a gap there. If you get that screwdriver down in there, into that gap, just twist it really carefully. Just go really easy. There's a bunch of tabs around the perimeter of that ring. There we go. So that's why you want to have gloves on. I need some new gloves. Try not to use those parts. And here there's two wires that need to be taken off. I think these are for, these are heated mirrors. And now I need to order a new mirror. And what I'm going to do, this is November in Minnesota, and it's rain, snow, so I'm going to take a plastic bag and cover this all up so this does not get wet. I'm going to take a wire and wrap it around there, see if that stays on it. That'll keep it nice and dry. First off, I'm going to put on my goggles. And my leather gloves, which I need to get a new pair. Actually, first thing I'm going to do is hook up the heated mirror wires. Oops. And you want to line up all the tabs in the back of the mirror. I'm actually going to use a towel, which is recommended, and then I'm going to push on the back side of the mirror and the glass. It should pop. You can hear it when it pops in. I'm going to tip down. Just looking at the tabs in the back side, I really can't see. I think that snap, I think she went on there. It doesn't seem. Oh, there was another one. Oh, another one. You can kind of feel it too, and the snapping sound. So I'm gonna have to get a flashlight and look in here at the tabs and make sure that they're caught. I'll look up in the bottom, and I'll look in this side and down from the top. There's the roll. I think the new glass, this new mirror was like $35, so not too bad. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.